Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano, president of ADS Consulting Group. And hey, do you know when a vulnerability is really bad in Microsoft Windows is when they actually release a patch for which is no longer in support Windows XP and Windows 2003. So in May, the May security release, the security update for May 2019 had a vulnerability which is very similar to the WannaCry vulnerability, which came out a few years ago. It is this attack is what's called wormable, which means that you can just get infected by it by just being close to somebody that already is infected, almost like catching the measles or something if you haven't been vaccinated. So I'll put a link here. There's actually two separate downloads, one for XP in 2003, which are technically not supported anymore, although Microsoft did come out with a patch for those systems because the vulnerability is so scary. And there's a separate link. You can actually get the Windows 10 and supported operating system links just by getting the latest security updates for May of 2019. So please, 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 this is an important one. Don't skip this one. You want to get on your system. There haven't been any reports of any attacks out in the wild just yet, but it's probably just a matter of time before somebody comes up with something. And if you don't have that patch, it could end up very bad for you. So please, please, please get that patch on as soon as possible. Don't ignore this one. It is pretty serious. So hopefully you like this content. If you like more of this type of content, please hit that subscribe button and look forward to future content, similar content. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.